Gabby, please don't get near there. Please don't.
What is so wrong with it?
Gabby, you're really making me scared. Stop. Just please stop.
I'm never going anywhere with you ever again.
I just have this vision of her falling in there.
Oh yes, I'm gonna fall in there.
You're so cute. Gabby?
I'm looking, okay? God.
Gabby's fascinated with that hole. Oh my god. I swear to God, I feel like there's something like
What, you think a clown is gonna pop out of you?
Why'd they all start moving like that?
I don't know.
They like move like a big giant, like a cloud.
They move together.
Wow, they're covering that whole thing now.
What?
Oh, they're so cute. I'm surprised nobody's ever done a report on these things. You gotta send me that. You gotta send me that clip. I'll just take it from your camera for you.